Hi, this is Jamie for Gyroscope. Have you guys noticed that I got my new nails? It's been a really long time, I really love it. But yeah, back to our topic. I've got Ulefone here, a new arriving Ulefone X here with me. Before we get into the phone itself, we're gonna take a look at the box. So here, all screen, full screen phone, MediaTek Octa core. Not written down here, it's clocking in at 2.0 gigahertz by the way. 6 gigs of RAM plus 64 gigs of storage, plus can be extended to up to 256 gigs with external TF card. Face unlock and fingerprint recognition. I already registered my Face ID. Let's test it out later after this. Dual rear camera at 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. That's good. 5.85 inch full display screen here. 3300 milliamps of battery, and finally Android 8.1 Oreo. So that's it for the spec wise. Maybe there will be more when I get into it, like front cameras and stuff. But now let's unbox this phone. The phone itself. This phone is called Ulefone X. I think you might actually see some resemblance, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it to the side for now. The pin, the USB cable, Type-C by the way, screen protector, warranty card, pretty standard, and English manual, and a OTG adapter, that's pretty neat. And finally, the socket. I'm gonna open it up right now, the socket. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna leave the accessories to the side so it won't get into our way while we take a look at the phone. Okay, so there you go. Now I'm gonna remove the screen protector very carefully. There you go. So more to add about the features for the phone itself that wasn't listed on the box. It has a front camera at 13 megapixel, which I'll be testing out very quickly. And also it supports Qi wireless charging, which you can get a discount at gearbest.com if you purchase Ulefone X together with Ulefone's wireless charger. So right now I'm gonna test it out, lock it, test its facial recognition first. As you can see here, it's locked. I'm gonna lock it back on to dark screen, and I'm gonna test it out right now. There you go. It's actually pretty fast, even faster than iPhone X, which I've been using for a while, which requires me to slide up and everything. For this one, all I need to do is to light up the screen, look at it, and it's unlocked. So upcoming next, I'm gonna try its front camera, which is at 13 megapixels, see how the quality works. Say cheese! There you go. If I double click it and enlarge it, you can see every flaws of my face is shown very clearly, include my acne, my scar, and everything. So I'm gonna go with, I don't like the front camera because it's so clear. It shows every flaws that I have, but it is in fact a very good front camera. So that's pretty much it for today's quick unboxing and quick testing for Ulefone X. I personally share some very complex feelings about this phone, but it is indeed a very nice phone, budget-wise and spec-wise. It is available at gearbest.com at around 180 bucks. So please check our links below. Follow us at Gearbest YouTube channel. This is Jamie. I'll see you next time.